How to find someone on Cash App by phone number. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to find someone on Cash App by phone number. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, as shown here. You will land on the homepage of the app, where you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, the one we need is this one here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, make sure you scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section of the page here. From the options that appear here, tap on this one named Invite Friends. This page will appear where Cash App is asking you to allow the app to access your phone's contact list. Make sure you allow it by tapping on this option. This will allow Cash App to show Cash App users who are on your phone list. This means you can easily find someone in your contact list if they use Cash App. Also, there is another way you can do this. Come back to the homepage of the app. After that, make sure you tap on the magnifier icon here. After doing that, this page will appear where you are supposed to search for the user you wanted to find. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to find someone on Cash App by phone number.